guys, and welcome back once again to my channel. The name is always GH Fame. In today's episode, we connected a laundry and a guest washroom for our project. We did this underneath the polytank structure because there was a space left over there. Instead to let it go wasted, we decided to use those space for our laundry and a guest washroom. In this episode, you will find the process of how we connected this simple laundry and guest washroom setup in accordance with the cost involved. With the setup, everything was started from scratch, and this is the phase 1 of the installation. I have a simple question to ask the general public. Why is it that people do not include shower in their guest washroom? To me, it sounds some type of way because what if the guests decide to spend the night or even wash down? What are you going to do about it? Are you going to let the guest enter your master bedroom to visit the shower, or what are you going to do about it? So sometimes I don't know the reason why most people do not include shower in their guest washroom. Based on my personal opinion, I think it's very necessary to always include a shower area for your guests because they may spend the night or even try to wash down. So do not design your guest washroom based on temporary sake. You must always do it for convenience sake. I included water closet area, basin area, and shower area for my guests. I did it this way because I don't want my guests to visit the washroom inside the rooms. So I brought it outside so that multiple guests can also use it. With the installation process, we have to connect everything to the mains after the setup, and this makes the whole setup more complicated. But when you have a good artisan, you worry less. So we were able to connect it to the mains, which is the entire plumbing of the house. Those pipes had already been passed since 2023. So we connected our new setup installation to the mains in order to make everything complete. For the cost involved, because it's just a simple setup, I did not break the bank. The materials alone cost me 950 Ghana cedis, and the complete workmanship also cost me 800 Ghana cedis. When I break it down, I bought 2 pieces of 4 inches pipe for 144 Ghana cedis. A single cost 72 Ghana cedis. I bought 2 pieces of 4 inches ST. A single cost 22 Ghana cedis, making 44 Ghana cedis. I bought 4 pieces of 4 inches bent pipe, which a single cost 13 Ghana cedis, making 52 Ghana cedis. 1 piece of 4-inch vent cap for 10 Ghana cedis. 2 pieces of 4-inch 45, which a single cost 10 Ghana cedis, making 20 Ghana cedis. 2 pieces of 3-inch ST cap, which a single cost 17 Ghana cedis, making 34 Ghana cedis. 2 pieces of 3-inch 2-inch bushing, which a single cost 12 Ghana cedis, making 24 Ghana cedis. 2 pieces of 2 inches pipe for 72 Ghana cedis for 1, making 144 Ghana cedis. 10 pieces of 2 inches bent, which a single cost 7 Ghana cedis, making 70 Ghana cedis for the 10 pieces. 4 pieces of 2-inch ST cap, which a single cost 8 Ghana cedis, making 32 Ghana cedis. 4 pieces of 2-inch 45, which a single cost 6 Ghana cedis, making 24 Ghana cedis. 1 2-inch vent cap for 7 Ghana cedis. 1 era glue for 60 Ghana cedis. 2 pieces of half pipe for 30 Ghana cedis for 1, making 60 Ghana cedis. 10 pieces of half bend for 1 cedi, 50 pesos for 1, making 15 Ghana cedis. 6 pieces of half era bend for 13 Ghana cedis for 1, making 78 Ghana cedis. 1 piece of half KSS for 50 Ghana cedis. 2 pieces of half valve socket for 3 Ghana cedis, 1 piece of half wall tap for 50 Ghana cedis, 3 pieces of 3/4 T for 9 Ghana cedis, 4 pieces of 3/4 bend for 8 Ghana cedis, and lastly 6 pieces of half T for 12 Ghana cedis. Summing all together gives a gross total of 950 Ghana cedis. So the materials for this setup cost me 950 Ghana cedis, and the workmanship the plumber took me was 800 Ghana cedis. Adding all together gives a gross total of 1,750 Ghana cedis. So this was the total gross for the phase 1 of this simple laundry and guest washroom setup. In the aspect of building, plumbing works are less expensive as compared to other aspects in the project. So guys, don't be scared when you are at plumbing stage. Most common thing that will make your cost rise up is the workmanship of the artisan. Aside that, the materials for plumbing are very less, and that's why these guys do not want to come after them, instead coming after your wiring. So guys, don't be scared when you're at plumbing stage, and that doesn't mean you should use inferior products. You see, in certain parts in plumbing stage, you have to take it very serious, especially the water plumbing side. The reason why I'm saying this is that when you reach your water plumbing stage, it involves a lot of pressure, unlike the installation for the sockaway only. So you have to adapt the use of pressure pipes for your project. For the laundry setup, we were unable to complete the whole setup because the room was currently busy. We had packed about 500 pieces of pavement blocks over there, so we were unable to complete the installation process. So we just connected the water plumbing inside so we can continue with it later when the room is free. But for the guest washroom, the complete setup phase 1 was done. This whole installation process took us about less than 24 hours to complete. For the time being, it started around 4:30 p.m. and completed next day around 12 p.m. So initially, it took us less than 24 hours to get this simple setup done. Now, here's what some of the artisans does. They will pretend to delay on the job just for your workmanship to come up. So I really like the job of my plumber because he's very serious. When it comes to seriousness at work, you can never remove this plumber. In fact, he's very serious. The energy that you use to do your work for you will even blow your mind and make you start to ask questions that who is this guy? I mean, he's very serious, and that's one thing I really like about him. He's one serious artisan you will ever find. One thing is, he does not delay on jobs. Jobs that other artisans can use 5 days, 7 days, he can use about 2 or 3 days to complete it for you. He's very serious. He's concentrating on what brought him to your site, not the other way around. So yeah, he deserves some accolades, but unfortunately, he's very busy as we speak now. So I only get him to work for me during Saturdays and Sundays only. So this is the mains. We have 2 pipes for the sockaway, and this is the water plumbing pipes. This is where the water connects to the washrooms. And these 2 pipes, the small one are for the shower and the kitchen sockaway, and the big one is for the waste. There was a little difficulty here because he was not the one who did the initial plumbing works. He just continued from where I took over the project. So he was finding it a little bit difficult to connect to the mains, but he surely did it. Tough jobs like this makes an artisan perfect. If an artisan is able to continue from another artisan's mistakes, that makes him perfect. Some want the job very cheap, but this is what makes an artisan perfect. This brings competition to the artisan. As an artisan, you always have to find yourself solving problems and finding solutions to mistakes. So this makes an artisan really perfect. So guys, that's all about it today. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I do. Share your ideas and thoughts in the comment section. The name is always GH Fame, and I'll see you in the next episode. Enjoy the rest of the video.